Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on parental controls on your iPhone settings. Now let's go ahead and open the settings here. And in our settings, the first thing that we're going to be looking at is going to be the screen time. If you don't see it here, it will be easier if you just click the search here. Just go ahead and type here screen time. You should be able to see the first option there. Open that one. And then what you're going to do is look for here, set up screen time for family. Click this one. And then if you are going to go ahead and scroll down, the third thing that you're going to see is set up parental controls. Go ahead and click continue. And then you can go ahead and invite others or create child account right here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and assume clicking this one right here. Once you've done that one, you're going to go ahead to content and privacy restrictions. And here you can go ahead and basically make some changes here. For example, one of the things that I usually do is look for iTunes and App Store purchases. You want to make sure that they don't or they are required to enter a passcode here, and that is just going to make things safer for them. So it's just going to prevent anyone else from basically purchasing anything. And yeah, you can go ahead and make more changes here. Location services, we're already going to allow them to disable this one, and many others. And yeah, once you're done that one, you can just go ahead and close this, and you have finally turned on the parental controls here on your iPhone.